If you want to study in one of the most appealing destinations for international students, known for its academic resources, rich cultural environment, and future job prospects, free of charge, then continue watching this video. By the way, in the end of the videos, I will answer one of the questions of yours in the comments in other videos that you asked, so please leave your comments in the video below and I will answer to it in more details in the next video of mine. National University of Taiwan is offering 31 different scholarship opportunities for international students to study in Taiwan. What programs can you apply for? You can apply for Bachelor, Master and PhD programs. So how does it work? First, you have to understand which program and major you want to apply for and find the perfect scholarship that fits you specifically and start applying. What does the scholarship cover? Depending on the type of the scholarship that you will choose and that will fit your requirements and you will fit the requirements of the scholarship, you will get monthly paid from 300 to 6,000 US dollars. Accommodation, tuition fee, medical insurance, flight tickets and research related expenses. What majors are available within these scholarships? You can apply for almost all the majors available at the University of Taiwan, which include the following: management, law, liberal arts, science, social science, engineering, bioresources and agriculture, public health, electrical engineering, life science, political science, economics, design and innovation, general education and even medicine. How can you apply? You have to apply through university platform, and keep in mind that at one time you can apply to 5 different departments just to secure the scholarship. And you don't have to apply separately for the scholarship and the university. It's one application that you send to the university directly. What documents you have to provide? Depending on the program you're applying for, Bachelor, Master, PhD, and the majors, of course, you're applying for, the documents may vary, but the key documents are English proficiency test, statement of purpose, and academic records of yours. When can you apply? Again, depending on the program, the deadline may vary, but it's mostly from August until December. So I will share with you the link to the scholarships in the description below. And please check the program you want to apply and the major you want to apply and start applying. And one more important thing worth mentioning, that after completion of the studies, you are encouraged to stay in Taiwan and work, and the university will assist you with that. Okay, let's go to the question part. Today I have chosen this question. I will read for you and I will try to explain in more details what you have to do if you are in this situation too. So the question is, kindly talk about relocation with family after securing the scholarship. Okay, if you decide to relocate and you want to take your family, wife, husband or kids with you, you have to understand the local law in the specific country, because from the country to country it will be different. For example, 1 year ago it was possible to bring your family to Hungary and live together. But starting from March 2024, there is new migration law that doesn't allow family reunion if you're studying and if you're working. First, choose the country, choose the scholarship that fits you, and then start reading their local laws about migration. So in most of the cases, this is a possible way to bring your family, and your family can have family reunion visas while you are staying and studying in a country. If you don't find the local law on migration, the easy way just to write to the university to ask how it works in their country. In most cases, the university staff are very friendly and they will be willing to help you. They will give you very detailed answers. If they don't know, they will redirect you to the person who is aware of the issue. So it is possible to relocate with your family. You just need to understand how it works in the specific country.